Make a great choice today with the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain. Inside you'll find backup camera, auxiliary audio input, child safety locks, power steering, passenger airbag, passenger vanity mirror, adjustable steering wheel, rear bench seat, rear head airbag, split bench seat. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.